Within a month, she had gone from being depressed to being happy, to seeing herself as good at math and getting totally on grade level. And she did go back to school and is thriving and doing great in math. And for me, that was just amazing to watch her entire attitude about math change just from playing this. It's not a chore. It's not, oh, now I have to do my math homework. It's, oh, good. Now I get my treat. I get my reward, which is to play Prodigy. And then I will say, the story that really has impacted me the most is with masteryhour.org, we've had hundreds of children from Title I schools play Prodigy with our tutors. I usually contact math professors and they refer their students, and then we give them some basic training in developmental stages and communicating with children, anti-bias. And everyone signs into a Zoom room on the same day and they get paired with a tutor. So we had one family who lived in the projects in Brooklyn with their grandmother in a one-room apartment, single mom, grandma, 3 kids, preschool, first grade, and third grade. And the son in first grade was in danger of being held back a year because he was failing out of school. And all the family, they would just go to a different part of the apartment and sign in every single day to Mastery Hour. And within a couple months, the son was above grade level, just doing great, really confident in math. The daughter had skipped 2 grade levels, and the kindergartner was just way ahead, obviously, and it was just life-changing for that family. Their whole identity about who they were as learners. And the mother was so grateful to us, but we got so much more than we gave. And I think our volunteers, that the pandemic was a really hard time for college students, and I could just see how it impacted the mental health of those students to volunteer and help the children and see how they learned and how they loved it, and just the commitment of the mom to get those 3 tablets set up in 3 corners of her one bedroom in the apartment. So those children's lives are changed forever because that tool was available to them.
What an amazing story. And I love the fact that you took a very collaborative approach and got these kids to actually work with and teach each other if they were struggling.
Yes. And it really does depend on the dynamic of the group. I think that group is particularly special. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't work, but I think it is so cool when an older child can help a younger child, or, children are learning at different rates and they can be the teacher.